I'm Meredith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be gearing up for Amazon Prime Day, which is happening October 11th and the 12th. I'm going to be showing you guys part one of my Amazon finds. It's so easy to become obsessed with Amazon because it's amazing. You find amazing pieces and you get shipments if you have Prime, usually within 2 days. So today I have some outfits that I'm going to be packing for my next trip. I'm off to Portugal this evening. I also have some accessories and I also have some kitchen things. I'm so excited to be sharing some things that I got from Amazon with you guys today. Stick around for part two. That's coming mañana. Real quick before I get started, if you are new to my channel, I am Meredith. I am a mid-sized and curvy content creator where I create lots of hauls and try-ons and some lifestyle stuff to essentially help bridge the gap between straight sizes and plus sizes. I am a size 8/10. I have a really hard time finding clothes that fit my body. And on top of it, I do not see myself represented anywhere. I am the only size 8/10 curvy content creator that I know of, which means that there are millions of women out there who do not feel represented. So with creating this content, I hope to help you guys feel represented. I hope to help you feel seen, and I hope to help you guys dress your curves and your bodies and make life a lot easier. Before we get started, I'm going to give you guys my measurements for reference. I'm 5'7", I have a 36-inch bust, I wear a 34 D cup bra, I've got a 29-inch waist, and I've got a 44-inch hip. Usually I wear a medium on the top and a medium on the bottom. I also wear a size 8, sometimes a 10 in pants, and also sometimes a 6, depending on how much stretch there is. So without further ado, let's get into my Amazon haul and try on, part one. Let's go ahead and start off this haul and try on with this two-piece green pleated set. I have seen this all over the internets and I wanted to get it so badly that I found it on Amazon. I am in a size medium top and a medium bottom, and I think that this is a great sort of casual loungewear but still chic outfit to bring on my trip to Portugal. However, I would say that it probably runs a little bit small to size. With that being said, I would definitely size up to a large. I think I would probably want the pants to be a little bit looser, a little bit more relaxed. They do fit perfectly fine. They show my shape, which I really like. Because I'm leaving this evening, this two-piece set in a medium is definitely going to be coming with me. I love the oversized look of the top. It does button up and down the front. It fits through the shoulders and the back just fine, and it is long enough. I also just paired it with a quick tank top from Forever, and let's move on to the next one. We do have a little bonus piece from Winbags that I'm throwing into this little video. I'm so excited to share with you guys what they sent my way. This is a Louis Vuitton UA, which means it's an unauthorized Louis Vuitton bag. They sell luxury dupes. I am obsessed with this bag. I cannot wait to open it up. Dun dun dun! This is the bag that they sent my way. This, my friends, is the Dauphine bag that Winbags sent my way. I'm so excited to have this. I'm so excited that I got it in time for my Portugal trip because she is going to be such a cute bag to take on my travels. It's the perfect size. I wanted to share some of the quick details with you. I love the gold hardware, and I also love this gold chain. It is interchangeable, so you guys can take it on and off if you wish. You can also take the leather strap on and off as you wish and just use the gold strap if you want. There's lots of space in this bag. Lots of space. Great for a small book, a water bottle, your wallet, keys, you know, all the good things. I also really wanted to point out the different colors. It's a two-tone brown color with this amazing leather detail piping. It's such a stunning bag, you guys. I am so excited. I will go ahead and share with you guys all of the Winbag details in the comment section below. They are also giving you guys a discount code, which I will note right here at the bottom of the screen, and also that will be in the description box. Go ahead, check them out, check out their Instagram, check out their website. They've got lots of luxury dupes and UA items on there. This just happens to be one of them. And thank you so much to Winbags for sending this my way and sponsoring this little segment of my Amazon haul and try on. I really truly find so many good two-piece sets, athleisure and workout gear on Amazon. It's amazing. Now, when I was selecting this piece, it looked a little bit more neon online. This is reading a little bit more yellow to me, but that's okay. I still really like the color because it's still sort of a warm tone, although sometimes I feel like wearing yellow can be really hard for my skin complexion. But anyways, I'm in a medium top and a medium bottom. It fits true to size. The pants obviously fit so well, as does the top. It does have removable pads, so you guys can go ahead and take those out. I know some of you guys hate those. I like to keep them in just to give me a little bit more support and a little bit more coverage and privacy. There is adjustable straps in the back, which is great. The shorts, actually, I wanted to mention that they are the perfect length for me. I was a little bit worried that they were going to be a little bit too short, but they are hitting me mid-thigh, which is absolutely perfect. I have nothing but good things to say about this, so let's go ahead and move on to the next item. This little next segment is sponsored by EBY. I don't know if you guys remember when I did a little try on for them a couple weeks ago, but they are on Amazon and they are going to be part of the Amazon Prime sale. So they are giving everybody 20% off of their Amazon site. And I just wanted to sort of jog your memory in terms of what they're going to be offering on their Amazon site on Amazon Prime Day, October 11th and the 12th. They're going to be offering this bralette with this matching panty. They're also going to be offering this bralette. Unfortunately, the leopard is no longer available on their Amazon site, but they do have other colors, nudes, navies, blacks, so on and so forth. So I'll throw the colors that are available on the screen right here so that way you guys know. Super comfortable stuff. I'm really excited that they are on Amazon, and as a reminder, they are giving you guys 20% off of everything on Amazon Prime Day, October 11th and 12th. Go ahead and pick up yourselves some really comfortable bralettes and panties. You will not be disappointed. Obsessed, you guys, obsessed with this sweater. But when I first put it on, I was like, wait a second, this looks really funny. But I realized that you just actually have to pull it off your shoulders a little bit to get the effect of having these really structured shoulders. This is how it's supposed to fit. I also haven't steamed it, and I think the steam will help just a little bit. It does have a mock neck, which I also really like, and I think the size is perfect. I'm in a size medium, and I love just doing a little front tuck to show my shape and give me some structure. I think that this is the perfect transitional piece and also fall piece. Also, you can layer it underneath, let's just say a white button down, so you can have the white sleeves underneath this. I think that this is just so cute. It's very chic. I love the structure of it. It's just stunning, and I got it on Amazon. I cannot believe it. Next up is one of my favorite accessories from Amazon. This is a Bottega dupe. So I found this in green. They also have it in some other colors. I'm obsessed with this quilted bag. It is super cute. It is quite large, big enough for a small book, your wallet, your phone, and your keys. Of course, you guys know that I'm always bringing my book along with me. It does have a gold hardware clasp right here, and I love that it can be a crossbody, right? So traveling, you sort of want to be hands-free. If you're out shopping, you want to be hands-free, which is why I love having this longer strap. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer. It does also have this little buckle right here, just like the Bottega one does. I am obsessed with this color. I'm so glad I got it in green. You can also actually wear it just as a shoulder bag. Very trendy at the moment. And I'll leave all the information in the links below. Next up is this super cute white crop top. I was looking for some really cute blouses for my trip, and I felt like this could be perfect because it might be a little chillier in the evenings there. Right now it's like in the 80s, and then it drops down to like the 60s in the evening. So I felt like I could pair this with a pair of jeans while I was over there, maybe throw on a blazer over the top if it gets a little chilly. However, I'm in a size medium and it's pretty tight. There is some smocking in the back here, which I was like, oh great, it's gonna be really comfortable and easy to get on. It wasn't. This material is like not very comfortable, if I'm being completely honest. It has zero stretch. This even back here is like barely stretchy. So it's very tight. I do have a bra on, and with shirts like this, I usually have a difficult time where the seams are, where the breasts are sort of quote unquote meant to be. They don't fit. The bra actually is right at the edge of the shirt. So I might go ahead and try this without a bra on to see if that feels any better. Okay, it's like night and day without a bra on. Although I don't have quite the lift that I did with my bra on, but it feels so much more comfortable without it. Again, I'm still having a little bit of a hard time fitting my breasts into where the cups are meant to be, which is where it indicates like where a breast should be. It doesn't fit, but I don't think that it looks that bad, even though some of my breast is underneath. Overall, I think that this is a really cute top. It was not expensive, so I think I'm gonna keep it. And I just wanted to point out that you are probably going to start seeing a lot more things with voluminous sleeves. It is going to be trending pretty soon if it's not already. There is a little arm slit right here with a button, so you guys can close that if you want. I don't know if that actually is going to be possible for me. It seems like it would be a little tight. Maybe I just need to size up. Maybe that's the issue. Okay, so maybe I'll exchange this for the size large and it would probably be a little bit more comfortable. Next up is this really cute black floral dress. It is a pleated material, just like the green set that I tried on in the beginning. I ordered this in the size large because I knew that I wanted to wear this during the day in Portugal, and I knew that I wanted it to be a very relaxed fit. I want to be comfortable. I don't want to be walking around. It's a walking city because there's lots of hills, and I just wanted to be comfortable. So I did order this in a size large, and I think that I made the perfect decision. It is a button-down dress, and it fits me perfectly. It fits me just the way that I had envisioned. It's loose, it's comfortable. There are bell sleeves on either sleeve. There is a tie at the waist. There are buttons that go up and down in the front with a little collar at the top. Very comfortable. It is a little stretchy, but doesn't have a lot of stretch. But again, I'm super happy with this. This also comes in a set like the green set that I tried on in the beginning. So if you are interested in the set instead of the dress, it does come in this print as well. Moving on to the sandals, you guys. I've been looking for a gold pair of sandals for a really long time, and I finally pulled the trigger when I found these on Amazon. These are from The Drop, which is the sort of more fashionable things on Amazon. I think that they are really cute. I already do have a tie-up sandal like this in beige from Abercrombie. I think they're probably one of the most comfortable sandals that I have. I love that this is a tie-up, and I just think that they're really cute. I'm a little bit apprehensive to bring these on my trip because I'm going to be doing a lot of walking. I have a friend that lives over there, and she told me do not bring any heels. So I'm going to be bringing flat sandals and sneakers mostly because we're going to be doing a lot of walking, and I just don't know if these are going to be walking comfortable. I've never worn them before, so I really don't know how they're going to wear. But as of right now, they are pretty comfortable. They have a little bit of a cushioned sole, which is great. So let's move on to the best and the last piece from this Amazon haul and try on. Okay, so I saved the best for last. I haven't even opened these, you guys, yet because I wanted to film my true reaction. I don't know if you guys know this, but I really don't like to cook. I'm not somebody who gets really creative in the kitchen. I get bored very easily. I'm the type of person that can eat to live instead of live to eat. So with that being said, I didn't need these, but because they're gold, I felt like I had to have them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up and show you some of the knives that this set comes with. Okay, first I wanted to show you guys the wooden block that it comes with. It is white, it is wooden, it is pretty substantial. It's got lots of spots for all of the beautiful knives that are about to go in this. Oh my God. Oh, so pretty. Okay. You guys, let me be very careful doing this, but wow. These are absolutely stunning. I wasn't sure how metallic these were gonna be, but this is a true gold. This is like, if I was a knife, this would be me. Okay, let me show you a couple of the other ones. Okay, this is the steak knife. Stunning, you guys. So these are substantial. They're pretty heavy, which makes me think that they're really high quality. I obviously haven't used them yet, so I can't tell you how well they cut, but they're pretty, and that's really all I care about. I will spare you the boredom with opening all of the knives, but I'll just show you one other before we wrap this video up. Again, stunning. I'm obsessed, you guys. I'm really excited to use these. I mean, your girl has to eat. Your girl has to cook to stay alive. So these will be put to good use. Okay guys, so that wraps up my part 1 of Amazon Prime Day preparation. I hope you guys found some amazing things today that you really enjoyed, and maybe I've inspired you to try some things that you normally wouldn't have tried on your own. As a reminder, Prime Day is October 11th and 12th. EBY is giving you guys 20% off, and I will be sure to throw the winbags information in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notification for every time I upload a new video, and hit that super thanks to help your girl out. and support her channel. I will see you guys tomorrow for part 2 of my Amazon haul preparation for Prime Day, October 11th and 12th. I'll see you guys then. Bye!